So this clip was released on the Instagrams and the Facebook a couple of days ago. Let's kind of go through and break down on how I actually created this scene. So looking at the blend file, this planet here is a free resource over on Pigeon's Discord. There is a link in the description. And these Reallusion ships, there is a link in the description on where to pick them up. Same as these Y-wings here. Now all I've done is I've got the center piece and parented it to a Bezier curve. Just coming over here and to the right, constraints, let's actually select it, go constraints, and we can see that we've got follow path, we've got it animated, we've got it facing the right direction. Now that initial teleport in, or the warping of in, so if we go play, all it is I'm moving it from point A to point B and making sure that the interpolation is Bezier. Fairly simple. And the fact that the three ships, they come in at different times. So you can see that this second Y-wing actually comes in pretty late. Now I've also animated that the Y-wings actually move forward a little bit and just given it, especially this one here, a little bit of rotation around, kind of goes to the right and down and then comes back up and so on and so forth. So you can see everything's not in scale. Now let's talk about the sun. So with the sun, we've created a very harsh light from above. So if I actually click on the sun, come over here, we can see that the sun strength is actually 20. I gave it a little bit of a yellow tinge and also set the angle to 0.1. Now, if this is kind of like maybe 0.5, you can't really see it in this example, but you'll see that it's almost sprayed out a little bit and we're getting some very soft lighting. So I'm hoping this isn't going to make me a liar, but we can see that we've kind of got this very soft line here where I normally want it really harsh. So if I go 0.1, we can see it's a lot harsher. Here on the turret, we can see that it's a very strong definitive line. And if we go back to 5%, we can kind of see that we've got a lot of that light wrap. Now with this space background, really simple material setup. If we go into shading, change it to world, all it is a noise texture with the scale right up, the color ramp brought up. So if I kind of bring this back down, we can just see how much noise we have. I've just changed it to Eevee really quick. And then as we bring this up, we can see that we're losing a lot of the white dots. And now we're just down to, you know, how many stars you want in the background. You need to make sure that the color ramp is plugged into the background and not an emission or a diffuse, because stuff just works better. Now there's probably going to be more videos coming out based around this. So if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe, it really helps me out and keeps up to date. And let me know what you think of this video.